Hi, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist, and today I have Allyson, my credit partner with Rising Point Solutions. This month we are going over the top 5 common mistakes people make when they're trying to repair credit on their own. Can you give me number 4 of the top 5 common mistakes people make when trying to repair credit on their own?
Closing out credit cards. So I get it, you don't use it, it's been 5 years, you don't want to keep it open, but like 15% of what your credit score is made up of is length of credit history. So this happened to me. I had a credit card, retail card that I had when I was 18 that closed, and I saw it hit on my credit, like my score dropped, and I was frantic about it. And the reason behind it is if it closes, it immediately shortens your length of credit history.
Right.
So, you could have 12 years of credit history and your oldest card shuts down and it drops it to 6 or 5.
Yep.
So it can drop the credit score. So closing cards you don't use is a no-no.
Allyson, thanks so much for being with us today. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any more questions or need more tips and tricks about credit repair or all things mortgage, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can go to RamseyLoans.com, check out Ramsey's Insight, and I'll be happy to connect with you there. Until then, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist.